Yeah, man, one nine and never two.
Hey guys, what's going on? We're gonna go get some gas and then we're gonna get into the POV. So come on me. My car is stock. I don't know, like what was y'all expecting? I hope you weren't expecting a loud car. Ride with me. What he said? Hey, the city is pretty when it's dead, just like a flower. What color's the CN Tower? It's red tonight, just like the text I sent you from the bed tonight. Yes! Said things right. I truly hope y'all can see, bro. I feel like just leaning to the side a little bit, like bow, 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 bow. Grow, bow, grow, bow. All right, let me start playing this set y'all up real good. Hold on. Can you guys see? Karma skin. Yeah, yeah. Listen, y'all, I genuinely hope you guys can see, because if not, I don't know what to tell y'all. But yeah, so I'm on the way to wash my car because it's really dirty. I'm not doing the inside today because, to be honest, I did it last week or 2 weeks ago and it just got dirty again, and I don't feel like doing it. So I'm only gonna wash the outside. But hold on, let me spit out this gum so nobody can say I'm chewing in their ear, okay? So basically, the purpose of this POV is to kind of talk to you guys, kind of just introduce myself so you guys get to know me more on like a personal level, and basically tell you guys what the channel is about. So if you don't know already, my name is Naya. Okay, my name is Naya. I'm 22 years old. What else? I'm a believer in Christ. I like cars, and I'm an apprentice auto body technician. So that's like the basics. Like, I don't know what else to tell you guys. I wish like y'all could talk to me and ask me questions, but it's nobody that's really vibing with me yet. So I'm kind of just, I don't know, it's a little weird, but kind of just talking to myself. But so for the main purpose that I have for this channel is for like documentation purposes. Like, what I mean by like documentation purposes is, if you know me, I'm a very like shy person. I'm very timid. I'm very to myself. I don't talk to people or anything like that. Like, my social skills are garbage. And I thought it would be a good idea to use YouTube as like an outlet to really put myself out there. And to be honest, I wanted to start YouTube from a very, very long time ago. I've tried it and it never worked for me because I was too judgmental. I was, I was just a big overthinker, like a huge overthinker, like, and I knew it was something I really wanted to do, y'all. And as I'm speaking now, like, I'm so nervous. Like, I don't know why I'm nervous, but I'm trying to keep it real with y'all. Like, so you gotta give me a minute to really like break into this and, really let loose a little bit, okay? I'm nervous. I also do want to add in there, like, I'm not the best talker, okay? I'm not the best speaker. Like I said, I don't have good social skills. But truly, 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 I'm just trying not to overthink this right now, because I am, and I'm getting nervous. There's no reason for me to be nervous. Like, I'm even stuttering. Like, bro, calm down, like relax, like it's not that serious. But yeah, so I want to use the channel as like a outlet to really put myself out there and really like break out of my shell. And to be honest, it did take a lot from me to even post my first video. And the only reason why I posted my first video was because it took for me to almost lose my life to finally be like, yo, like, you need to stop caring what people think about you. I used to be somebody who really, like, I used to think about what people would think about me. Like, oh, what if they don't like my voice? What if they don't like the way I look? What if I talk weird? Stuff like that. Like, I still have my days where I'm like, yo, what if this, what if that? But it's like now, hold on, am I going the right way? I think so. Yeah, I have my days where I'm like, yo, what if this, what if that? But it's not as bad as it used to be. And true, I'm really proud of myself to even, you know, come on here and actually follow through with the things that I want to do with myself, and which is YouTube. One of the things is YouTube. I want to be more social. I want to get out there. But so what's gonna be on the channel? So basically, I'm thinking it's more so gonna be like car content with like lifestyle, because I am interested in cars. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you, oh, I know everything about cars, because I know nothing about cars, okay? Like, I don't know all the fancy words that you guys use and all of that. Like, I'm really just learning. Like, it's really always just been an interest that I've had, and I'm learning, and I want to take you guys along with me. So that's really it, to be honest. So now that I got that out the way, I feel like I could just talk now. Like, I could just yap, because I wanted to get certain things, like, you know, the important things, like I said in the beginning, like tell you guys what the channel is about and everything, and like introduce myself and stuff. But I feel like, you know, I think my problem is, like, I was just trying to do that all in one video. But honestly, over time, you guys will get to like know me and really see my bop. You know, when you have something planned out in your head and it's like it's gonna go like this, I really think my problem is, like, I overthought this. Like, bro, damn it, run in the light, bro. Like, just be natural. Like, one thing about me, like, yeah, like, I'll always be myself, but sometimes, bro, the shyness overtakes me, and then I get nervous. Why am I stopping on the green light? It's because I'm talking. Like, drive, bro, drive. Yeah, give me a second. Yeah, you guys, I had stopped because I wanted to make sure the angle was good. But I think I fixed it. I think it looks better now. Does it? I don't know. Tell me, what do you guys think about the angle? Like, are you guys seeing what you need to see? And I need to figure out where I'm going again. But yeah, it's why did I say it was Saturday? You know, earlier I said it was Saturday. It's not Saturday, it's Friday. I don't know, today feels like a Saturday. Usually I'm home around these times. Like, I had work today, and then I came home, showered, got dressed, and then now I'm here. Like, it's 9 o'clock. Usually I'm in my bed, but I wanted to make a video for you guys, and yeah, I wanted to make a video and kind of like get the ball rolling with my content and stuff like that. But and don't make me beg you guys. Like, do I have to beg you guys to subscribe to me? Like, subscribe to my channel, please and thank you. Like, the only subscriber I have is my mom. And I'm grateful. Don't get me wrong, I'm grateful for my mother. But y'all subscribe, okay? Subscribe and I'll give you a cookie. I promise. So this car wash is kind of far from where I live. It's like, bro, it's something in the back that's shaking. I should have moved it before I started driving, bro. I can't even reach it. But it's not really far, but it's far though. Like, I think it's like, I want to say like 15 to 20 minutes from where I live. But I like going to this one because it's empty and they take tap, like they take card. So I don't carry cash on me like ever. So yeah, not that that matters, but just thought you guys would like that piece of information, right? Holy jeez, where's that guy's bumper? Can y'all see? Where's his bumper? I always wondered if it's legal to like drive without a bumper. I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to drive without a bumper, but like one time I thought about doing that because bumper was messed up. I don't want to get a new one. Anyways, I was just thinking about it, but yeah, like I was saying, I just want to take you guys along with me to really see my progress, you know? Because I know I can't be the only person out there that's shy and awkward and isn't a good speaker, you know, stuff like that. I can't be the only one. So I also, how could I forget that? I also was saying, like, I want to build a community. Like, I want my own community. Like, I want that bond with people, like that group of people that I can just relate with and they can relate to me. You feel me? Like, I've always wanted that. Like, just people who understand each other, you know? And people who want to grow and help each other. So yeah, that's really my main reason for wanting to do this YouTube thing, to develop more as a person, to build community, and to really just track my progress, to be honest. But yeah. Well, there's a few people here, not much though. Use this saw right here. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna be real honest, my rim's not getting no love because I meant to go buy a brush and I didn't buy the brush. We're gonna have to make it work. This wash is well needed. And if anybody is a mechanic, can you please tell me? I recently changed the brakes and the rotors all around and the back is dusting like crazy. The mechanic is telling me that they probably need to be serviced, or he'll give me like the new brakes because it's still under warranty because I got them in like August. But bro, I'm probably gonna have to pay this man to service the brakes. Anyways, I'm about to get to washing the car, so y'all go see. bucket and go to the car. I didn't use the much. I think it's in the best condition, but I'm not gonna make it work. So I bring a bucket. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and whoever made it this far, I thank you very so much for watching the video and tuning in. And I'm gonna remind you guys one more time to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm on the road to 10 subscribers. You know, usually they be like, oh, on the road to 500. Nigga, I'm on the road to 10 subscribers. Drop 10 subscribers right now. I need it. You feel me? But I'll see y'all in the next video.